Hey friends, if you encounter this error printing message on Windows, then please watch this video now. I encounter this very often, and this is a very common error message. So what are we supposed to do when we encounter this message? Our first approach should be to check if the internet connection on the printer is good enough. And if it is, then just wait. The error will resolve by itself in a while, but if it doesn't, then press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window and type the command percentage WINDIR percentage backslash system32 backslash spool backslash printers. I will share this in the description section of the video. Okay. And then click on OK. It may ask for administrator permissions. Give those. Select all of these. Hit delete and click on skip. Okay, these are the temporary files associated with the print spooler. Another thing that you can do is right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now you can go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the printer troubleshooter. The last solution will be to check the status of the print spooler service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the print spooler service, right click on it and select restart. Okay, this is if the printing doesn't work for a very long period of time. In that case, you can restart the service, but first of all, wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.